Hi, my sometimes lazy, sometimes tired, but always beautiful girlies. This video is a reminder that we all make mistakes. Mistakes open doors to new truths we need to learn to get better at this thing called life. Today I'm going to share with you 5 skincare mistakes that ruin your skin and how to fix it. Let's get better at taking care of ourselves together. Here we go. Alright, first things first. Make sure to subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and don't forget to ring the bell icon so you never miss out on any of our awesome videos. The first skincare mistake that most of us tend to make is choosing a drying cleanser. You should avoid using a drying cleanser because it strips your skin of all its precious oils and leaves it high and dry like the Sahara Desert. Nobody wants that kind of suffering, am I right? Trust me, your skin will rebel and start producing oil like crazy to overcompensate for what's been lost. It's like a never-ending battle of oily, dry, and ain't nobody got time for that. But don't worry, there's a solution to this skincare nightmare. It's called a moisturizing cleanser. A moisturizing cleanser hydrates the skin and replenishes your skin's natural moisture levels, leaving it smooth and refreshed. But here's the catch. Not all cleansers are created equal. You want to keep an eye out for cleansers that are free from all the bad stuff like artificial colors, fragrances, dyes, especially alcohol. Think of it as a VIP list for your skin. And let me tell you that the simple kind to skin moisturizing facial wash is the real MVP, meaning the most valuable player on that list. This facial wash is enriched with provitamin B to soften the skin, vitamin E to nourish it, and bisabolol to moisturize it. And the best part? It leaves all the ingredients that can sabotage your health for your skin. The second biggest mistake we make in our skincare routine is going overboard with the exfoliation. I know we desire for a smooth and radiant complexion, but take it easy, girlfriend. Harsh exfoliators and overdoing it can leave you with a face that's redder than a cherry and inflamed like a balloon, especially if they have rough beads in them that can cause micro tears on your delicate skin. So the right thing to do is to exfoliate one time a week, especially if you have dry skin, and with a gentle exfoliator like the simple clear pore facial scrub. This scrub has bamboo exfoliators that are very gentle on the skin. Plus, it will not only smoothen your skin but also help the skin feel rejuvenated. Blended with thyme, zinc and witch hazel, this facial scrub cleanses deep down to help eliminate pore clogging dirt, oil and makeup to leave your skin feeling purified. While scrubbing, massage your face gently in circular motions and don't forget to pay extra attention to the chin, nose and forehead to get rid of blackheads and whiteheads. Just be gentle and let your skin do its thing. Let's talk about the third mistake we make in our skincare routine. Using an alcohol-infused toner. I know a toner is supposed to remove excess oil and make our pores look cute and tiny, but sometimes toners can be total jerks, especially if you've got dry or sensitive skin. Those alcohol toners can strip your skin of its natural moisture and lead to even more dryness, which is not a good look, my friend. And if that wasn't enough, they can even speed up the aging process. So the right thing to do is to opt for an alcohol-free toner. Let me introduce you to my personal favorite toner. It's the Lakme 9 to 5 Moist Matte Mattifying Face Toner. It's infused with the goodness of green tea, known for its antioxidant properties, and witch hazel, a natural astringent, which works together to control oiliness, remove buildup, and give you a matte-looking skin without the dryness. Plus, it sprays on super fine and tightens your pores, leaving your face feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Trust me, your skin will thank you. Let me spill the tea on the fourth skincare mistake we make. Not investing in a serum. You know that feeling when you're working hard towards a goal but just not seeing the progress you want? That's what happens to your skin without a serum. It's like we're doing all the right things but not getting the results we crave. That's why it's important to pick a serum that targets your specific skin concerns. Whether it's acne, dark spots or wrinkles, there's a serum out there for you. I swear by the Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiant Skin Brightening Face Serum for my acne scars and dark spots. As a helpful tip, when applying serum, it's best to dispense it onto your hand first instead of applying directly on your face. This allows you to warm up the serum and apply it evenly, avoiding any excess product. The 98% pure niacinamide is a total game changer in this product. It evens out my skin tone, fades those pesky dark spots, and even helps control oil production to prevent future breakouts. Your skin will be grateful you invested in a serum, believe me. And the fifth skincare mistake is not applying sunscreen. A sunscreen acts as a protective barrier between our skin and the sun's rays. If we don't apply sunscreen, our skin can be exposed to harmful UV rays from the sun. Over time, this exposure can lead to skin damage, premature aging, and an increased risk of skin cancer. So why not invest in some sunscreen and give your skin the protection it deserves? It's like giving your skin a little umbrella to chill under the sun while you soak up some rays. And if you need a recommendation, check out the Lakme Sun Expert SPF 50 PA++ Ultra Matte Lotion Sunscreen. This lightweight, non-sticky, non-greasy sunscreen is like a superhero for your skin. It blocks up to 97% of harmful UVB rays and shields our skin from those pesky UVA rays that can cause dark spots and skin darkening. So let's show those UV rays who's the boss and grab some sunscreen. So guys, those were 5 skincare mistakes that ruin your skin and some tips on how to fix it. I hope you all can correct your current routines after watching this video. Before I say goodbye, let's talk about showing some love to our BeBeautiful channel. We're here to help you with all your beauty needs and we want to keep doing that. So why not hit the like button and share our content with your friends? And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our latest videos. See you on the other side.